In this video, I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking the video. Now go to your Google Chrome, then go to search, then search for IDM not showing in Chrome. IDM not showing. It will appear on the search result there, so you are going just to press on enter. Then this first link here, IDM extension not showing in Chrome, extension list. So click on the link. Then you will scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see this link here. Click on it. Then it will land you here. So you are going to see that it is not fake, it is original because of the numbers of users, 18 million users. So just click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Then as you can see, Internet Download Manager extension for Google Chrome has been installed. Now you will be able to see it on the extension icon here. You will see it here, IDM integration module. So I recommend you to click on those three dots, then go to manage extension. Then ensure that this button is open. Now you will scroll down a little bit. Then you will open this button. You will open this button, then open this one. Then ensure that you have chosen all sites. So once you've done that, you'll be good to go. So that's it, guys. That's how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.